graphics management emphasis area comes with a built-in business administration minor within the 120-hour degree program. This is best suited for students that are looking to be growth-minded and looking to take on management-level positions or director-like positions once they get out in the industry. So we will still teach you the basic skills that go with a graphics program, but these are going to be people that are going to be leading teams and projects once they get out into industry. So our students, beyond the graphics knowledge, will get classes in sales and customer service, graphics administration, industrial supervision, as well as cost analysis and estimating. We have students that are going out into creative director positions, color technical management positions, social media marketing positions, kind of that nature. So if you're looking to expand your career set, maybe you're not the most artistic or you don't want to create the project, but you want to make sure that a project reaches its overall goals and objectives for a client, then management might be the right position for you. So we've got a lot of students that are going out there, and one of the best benefits of this degree program is that since you start a little bit higher up on the hiring chain, that you carry a lot more potential for higher incomes when you upon graduation.